Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies. This card is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Gemini. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy, guys. So if you are interested, if you want more clarity, you can stay tuned for that reading, guys. And if you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. So we have child, cross, and book. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you are moving towards a new start, a new beginning. So you have never experienced this or never made this choice or never did this before in your life, maybe some projects or whatever choices or offers you have today. So it is something new, something of a new experience today. And you are seeing your circumstances with curiosity, learning from it, and trying to do things in a different way today, guys. And also, Gemini, you are learning something, maybe learning a new skill or using your new skill or talent today in your work circumstances and in your relationship. It may be a new beginning you are seeing. If you are already in a connection, it is moving towards the next step in this relationship. You are seeing things more clearly. You are moving towards a committed relationship, and this relationship is bubbling with that freshness, vibrancy, and sweetness of that new connection. So things are going in a very positive way for you, and you are trying to understand each other, know about each other. Maybe you're spending time together, a lot of time together, and this person is revealing to you what they truly feel, what are their likes, dislikes, all their secrets, their past, whatever you need to know about this person. And all those experiences you had in your life, all those trials you faced maybe, has given you a particular belief, and you are someone who follows something ritually. Maybe you are doing meditation or chanting, some kind of a belief you have. If you do not have it, Gemini, you can take it up. You can take up meditation if you are interested. And that is going to help you, guys. That is going to make things better for you emotionally and mentally. You are going to see a calm and peace radiating within yourself, within your being. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have ring. So we were speaking about a beautiful positive relationship, guys, with this card. Maybe it may be your energy or their energy. Maybe they are proposing you. They are thinking of proposal, or you are thinking of proposal, and you are thinking of the next step in this relationship because you share a beautiful relationship with each other. Mutual respect, love, and caring is there in this connection. So things are going in a very positive way for you all, guys. So for your career situation, Gemini, we have this card, Clover. Again, it's a very lucky card, guys. So some sudden luck, maybe a lucky break is coming to you in your work situation. some opportunity, maybe opportunity of your lifetime. You should not miss it. So this is something very rare, something that never repeats yourself. Sorry guys, repeats itself. So if you want that opportunity, you must be ready for it, be really attentive and grab it, because it's coming to you today, Gemini. You are going to be extremely lucky today, Gemini. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. If you are interested, that pick a card love reading is coming up right now. Stay tuned for that, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the first card for y'all, for those who chose this card. Red Riding Hood, Rites of Passage. So that is the card here, guys. So in your circumstances, maybe you are trusting someone that you cannot trust. Maybe this person may have some mask. Maybe they are hiding their true intentions. They are trying to be really friendly with you, trying to groom you or influence you in some ways. But they are doing that to harm you, guys. So you must have a clarity today. Have clarity. Be really aware of the people you are with, maybe whom you should trust and whom you should not trust. So you must be really discerning. That is what this card is about. And you need to remember who you are and what are your capabilities and what are you and what is your life path. And you need to be focused. You should not give in to any distractions coming your way. So you should not be deceived by appearances also, guys, because appearances are deceiving. So you should see your circumstances with your heart, not with your head. That will give you clarity. And you must stay on course, maybe whatever dreams you have for your life. You must stay towards that. Be really focused. You must stay safe. Because right now, your situation, in your circumstances, you are losing focus and you are maybe thinking of something you need not do, maybe giving into some temptations and trusting people whom you should not trust. So you must be really careful, guys. You must stay focused to your goals and the purpose of your life. And in your heart of hearts, deep down, your instincts will tell you what you need to do. You should go for it. You should trust your instincts. And you must always remember who you are, what are your goals, and you must also be aware of your, of our own nature, guys. Even all of us have goodness and bad qualities, good and bad qualities in us. So we must be really aware of those bad qualities and be really good. Try to be good and try to be that person who is always positive and who is always focused. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you need to be really careful about whom you trust today. That is the energy with this card. So for those who chose the second card, so that is the reading with this card, guys. Thank you for watching. So we will keep this card aside. We will see what is the second card for those who chose this card. Soulmates. Such a beautiful card here, guys. So with this card, the energy is that soulmates are people who come to us maybe for a short time or for a long time, but our relationship with them is the reason for some change that happens within us. So soulmates can be friends or family members, but they are your greatest gift, guys, because they are here for a reason. So in a relationship, when we have that deep attraction, that bonding, perfect bonding with this person, love, love that overwhelms us in a very positive way, that changes us. The same way, some soulmates, what to say, they cause a strong aversion in us towards them, maybe hatred also. So these relationships, these soulmates just break us down, and they help us to realize what we are deep down, what are our characteristics, and it just brings out our true nature. So no matter whether this relationship is a good one or a bad one, you are in presence of a soulmate, and you need to pay attention today, guys, because this person is here to give you a picture of yourself. So you must be really aware of what is happening right now. Be really mindful of your circumstances today. And this relationship is going to give you that emotional and spiritual growth, guys. So that is the energy with this card, and that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you, guys, for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.